I'd been looking, I'd applied for a few jobs. It's difficult, as everybody knows. You don't always get feedback, so you don't know, where you might be going wrong. I went to a local jobs fair that I'd seen advertised in Welshpool, which was where I met up with the Communities for Work Plus team, which was really good for me, because I was able to go off and have a chat with them in a quiet place. I showed them my CV and got some feedback on that. Right from that very first meeting that I had with the Communities for Work team, they gave me confidence in myself, which I perhaps had been lacking for a while because I hadn't had chance really to speak to anybody who was in work or who was in the workplace or helping people into the workplace. So being able to speak to people that were actually in that role was really helpful to me, because they were able to give me the encouragement and the support and help me with my confidence again and almost encourage me, I guess, to actually apply for the jobs that I'd been looking at again, but kind of thinking, oh, I don't know if I can still do that after all this time. I now actually work for Communities for Work. I am working within the council. I am an employment liaison officer. I go out and meet companies and explain to them what Communities for Work do, explain to them about how we help people who are not ready to work yet or who are looking to work move into the workplace, both by the support that we give our clients, helping them to actually become work ready by providing them with the confidence like I was given, but also some additional skills such as their CV writing, interview preparation and confidence building, which is such a big one. Myself, I go out and visit companies. I meet up with them, I explain to them what we do. I try and encourage them to work with us so that perhaps rather than going out to employment agencies to start with, they will come to us and say, do you have somebody that could do this? We will then sort of try and fit our clients into their workplace.